Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a journey into the fascinating history of telescopes. The first telescope was invented in the early 17th century by Dutch mathematician and astronomer Hans Lippershey. Lippershey's invention, known as the refracting telescope, used convex and concave lenses to magnify distant objects. The early refracting telescopes had limitations with chromatic aberration, so scientists turned to reflecting telescopes. Isaac Newton was instrumental in the development of reflecting telescopes in the late 17th century. Reflecting telescopes use mirrors to gather and focus light, providing clearer images and overcoming the limitations of refractors. As technology advanced, astronomers developed radio telescopes to observe the universe beyond visible light. Radio telescopes detect and analyze radio waves emitted by celestial objects, revealing insights into the mechanisms of the universe. In recent years, smart electronically assisted telescopes like the Dwarf 2 have gained popularity among amateur astronomers. These telescopes utilize advanced technology, automation, and image processing algorithms to enhance the observing experience. Additionally, outer space telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope have revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. Launched by NASA in 1990, the Hubble captures breathtaking images from the depths of space with unparalleled clarity. Other notable outer space telescopes include the Chandra X-ray Observatory and the James Webb Space Telescope. Refracting, reflecting, radio, and outer space telescopes have each played a crucial role in advancing our knowledge of the universe. Today, we have a wide range of telescopes available for both amateur and professional astronomers to explore the depths of space. From traditional telescopes to advanced electronically assisted and outer space telescopes, the options are endless. So whether you're an avid stargazer or simply curious about our universe, telescopes provide a window to the cosmos. Join us as we continue to explore the wonders of the universe and delve deeper into the history of astronomical instruments.